Alright, so now we are going to do a quick overview of the procedure. We are not going to go in detail about the procedure because
you already have that.
Yeah, you should have printed the procedure out in writing so you guys can read it while you're doing the actual lab.
One of the first things you do is take your test tube with your 5 milliliters of copper nitrate and you mix that with your sodium hydroxide, 5 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. You mix that all together.
Swirl it.
Make sure you take qualitative observations every time you do a new step.
And if you notice, what color is the copper nitrate? What is it?
Blue.
Blue? Okay. See, we just gave you a hint.
That's a very important hint. Okay. Yep. You take that, and once they're mixed together, you are going to put that solution on your hot plate in the hot water. In the hot plate.
Yes.
And you're going to leave it there
and let it heat up.
And you know it's halfway done when the color starts changing to like a greenish, muddy, blackish color. You know you're halfway done. And then you know you are completely done when there are 2 separate solutions in your test tube. It'll be dark and colorless. That's when you know it's time to take it out. You'll take your test tube out from the water then.
But when you take the test tube out, don't take it out by your hand because that will burn you.
Yeah, make sure you use tongs.
Yes.
Yeah. Take that out and you take it over to your magical sink. Very important. And decant the supernate off the top, which is the colorless part.
And you are going to pour it into the magical sink.
Yeah, that's where it goes. And then whatever is left over in your test tube, you are going to add sulfuric acid to it. You should know how much after reading your procedure.
Sulfuric acid.
Mix that together. You will notice another pretty color change. You need to write down. And then
figure that out.
You will take your aluminum foil and fold it accordion style.
For those of you who do not know what accordion style is, you are going to fold it like
back and forth,
back and forth, back and forth.
So it looks like an accordion.
So it looks like an accordion. Here's the side view. And you are going to stuff it into your test tube of your new liquid.
Yep.
And you're going to stuff it. Make sure it's at the bottom though, and it should be taller than your test tube so it can be sticking out.
Yep. And make sure it's not like jammed in there. Make sure it like fits perfectly in there.
Like it sets nicely.
And then you're going to leave that there over the weekend, and when you come back you're going to take some observations. And that's that.
And that is the isolation of copper.